Hi, I'm RareCrypto, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. Alright, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at the monthly chart of Bitcoin and USD, and what do we see? We see that in the month of May, we are respecting our resistance line that we set at 29K, and usually if we don't break above our resistance line, there's a high probability that we come back down and touch this support line that we set at 25K, $339. Alright? And if we look left, the reason why our resistance line is at this 29K area, in the month of April, we didn't break the resistance line. The body of that monthly candle did not close above that 29K area. All right, and you may say, RareCrypto, why are you on the monthly chart? The higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see we are respecting that line that we set here. You saw those two bodies of the candles. We were anticipating that we had a body of the candle on the weekly chart to hold above this 29K area. We did not get that. So this is why we're anticipating price to come back down and touch this 25K area. At this time, we didn't get that wick that we wanted, but it came back down as low as 26,000, okay? All right, now it's time for the MACD. All right, so looking at the MACD here, it looks like we are running out of momentum here on the MACD. Why do I say that? So as you can see here, we had the blue intersect with the orange on this weekly chart, and as you can see, it did happen. You know, we've been talking about this all year, and you can see it's been trending upwards. However, it looks like we're running out of momentum here. All right, and if we do have a cross, we could be in for short term, we could be in some problems on the weekly chart. Okay, let's go back to the monthly. On the monthly though, it does look like we're curving out here, so it looks like we're going to be in a boring trend for a little minute on this lagging indicator, the MACD. All right, now it's time for the indicators. All right, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at the stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the MFI on the weekly chart. So first things first, we highlighted the cross on the stochastic RSI. We have the orange over the blue, indicating that, hey, we are anticipating price to come downwards, indicating that the trend has shifted on this weekly chart. If we go to the 2-week chart, we highlighted that there's going to be a cross coming soon, and that cross did occur. So on the 2-week chart, it is more powerful than the 1 week. And if we look left, every time there's a cross on the 2-week chart, when in this 95, 94-ish area, we scroll up and we look at price last year, price did come down. All right, so that's something to watch out for. All right, so just a quick analysis. So looking at this, what do I anticipate to happen this week? So we do have this cross here in the 2-week, so that's pretty scary. Let's go back to the weekly. The trend is still coming downwards. So looking at this, I do not know if 25K is going to hold, and the only reason I say that is because of this 2-week chart. However, if we look at the monthly chart, the trend is still upwards. Okay, the trend is still upwards. We won't be bearish until we have a cross with the orange going over the blue and we come back downwards. All right, so that is pretty scary. I know a lot of people are preaching 50K. We'll need a lot of money to come into the market for that to happen. However, I do not see it. This is just my personal opinion, but you know what, I could be wrong, but that's just something I don't see. But anyhow, if we go back to the chart, let's go to the daily. Let's see what we can find in the short term here. On the short term, it looks like everything is in this oversold territory. So we could see some buyers come into the market and maybe give us a little pump back up to 27, 28K. But I don't see us breaking 29K at all. So that's just something to call out. That's what I'm looking for this week. We are in that low territory. So we could see some buyers come into the market to pump up the price. All right. Other than that, that's been my analysis. I'm RareCrypto. Thanks for watching. If you have any coins that you would like me to review, please drop them in the comment section below. And let's go. I'm RareCrypto.